Hey there, today we're going to look at how to check Qatar Airways ticket confirmation. So let's get started. First, check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Qatar Airways. Over here, the email will include your booking reference or PNR, ticket number, and flight details. If you don't see it, then check your spam or junk folder. After that, go to the Qatar Airways website and click on Manage Check-in. Then enter your booking reference and last name and click Retrieve Booking to view your ticket details. Over here, you can also use the Qatar Airways mobile app by downloading it from the App Store or Google Play Store. If you still can't find your confirmation, then call Qatar Airways customer service and provide your email address, payment details, or passport info for verification. After that, you can also visit a Qatar Airways office at your nearest airport. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.